Oh bollocks, I'll put my music back on. Why do I always get stuck behind a lorry? That's what I want to know. It's always the same. Oh, you know, I'm singing again. Hi guys, we're off to go and see Robbie today, so I thought I'd do a little video for you guys, and we'll have a little trip around the country and everything. But what we don't want to do, yeah, exactly. Oops, don't know what's happened here. If that's your bike and you see it on YouTube, let us know. It's a Yamaha something, I actually don't know what one they is, but there's a T-junction here. I don't know if a car pulled out and he had to sort of, I don't know, I can't see any skid marks on the road or anything, but it's been there a while because look how rusty the disc is. So I don't know, perhaps it was nicked, I don't know. Perhaps someone will let us know. There's the number plate. Anyway, we're off. I've got to go and see my mate. So we're going to go and see him. Then we Freddie. Yeah, Freddie. How about this, guys? There's a brand new looking Suzuki TU 250X. How many miles did you say it done? 2,300 miles, look, from brand new, and it's how old? 1998, I think it is. It is literally brand spanking new. Wow. That is stunning. I mean, I can't see a tiny mark on it. That's got to be rare in today. Fucking hell, what's going on here? Just fucking stop. Bloody wanker. Sorry about that, chaps. Yeah, I'm just stopping off here and having a quick burger before I go around and see Robbie. So I'm going to give him a call, tell him to come round here and have a burger. I'm having a double bacon bab. I was getting a bit hungry. Yeah. You know it is. Say hello to Robbie boy. Look, there's Robbie boy. Robbie boy at this place. Robbie boy MC repairs, MOTs, blah 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 blah. There's the telephone number. And there's the man there, Robbie boy. Free adverts, Robbie.
Free advert.
Free advert for Robbie Boy. Anyway, get that bloody kettle on. Good man. Robbie, think bike, mate. I like your sticker. Come and have a look at Robbie's workshop, guys. Wouldn't you just love a workshop like this? This is Robbie's little workshop. Here he is, look. Robbie Boy, say hello. Hello. I'm going to have a look around Robbie's workshop. Look. He's working on this at the moment. He's just sodded off. He's got to go and mend somebody's backlight. And he's just made me a cup of tea, so... I'll have a cup of tea. And he's just shooting off. There he goes in his van. I'll show you his bike. I'm in charge of the workshop. I'm going to show. Hey, Robbie! Oh, he's gone. Too late. I'll show you his bike. Here's his bike. Look. I'll show you his bike. Look. Oh dear. Look at that. Wow. Robbie's Tuono. What do you think, guys? Smart looking bike, isn't it? Like it? I wouldn't mind one. And there is his 450 and it goes green laning on. Oh man, I'd love that. Wow. What do you think? Yes! Everybody shouts. RCM Repairs. Can you see that up there? Look. RCM Repairs. He'll do a stonking job for you. At twice the price. I mean at half the price. Sorry. Oh dear. Got a laugh. Right. Let's start the beast up. The beast! And then we'll go for a little ride in the countryside somewhere on the way home. How about that, guys? Oh dear. Let's get my gear on. See if I can get lost on the way home. Sat nav. Actually, no, sod it, I won't. Right, let's get my music on. Where's my music? Da da da. Come on. Whoa! Two. Oh, that's enough singing. Right, are we ready? We've got 202 miles to go and I've done 164 miles, so that should get us home. Right, let's squeeze past here. That was Robbie Boy. Bye, Robbie Boy. Don't forget to watch us on YouTube. Get your free servicing done here. Right. Got to go home now. It's getting late. Eric Booster wants his tea. Let's turn this music off. Can't hear myself think. I'll put it back on again in a minute. Now, do I go the country road or shall I go through the village? I can't remember. Oh, sod it, let's try and get lost. Oh, that bloody bus is going that way. Oh, sod it, we'll go this way for a bit. Oh, bugger! Now I've got bloody traffic lights. I see it's going to be one of those days. Oh dear, oh dear. Anyway, guys, what do you think? Yeah, that's what I said, bollocks. A rainbow. See the windmill? There it is, look. Nice windmill. There it is, look. See it? Nice windmill. What we're going to do, we're just going to go through Woodbridge. Just for the hell of it. Do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. Ooh, hello girlie. See her look. What's he doing stood up on his motorbike, she's thinking. I'm trying to look, see what was down there. Chasing a rainbow. Yes, I'm listening to America, that's the group, and it's called Here and Now. If you want to know what I'm humming to. Woodbridge. Yeah. Woodbridge. Hello, lady. She's thinking, what the fucking hell's that stuck on the top of his head? Can I touch that? No. Oldie Weldy pub. Oldie Weldy buildings. If Robbie hadn't filled me up with so much cups of tea, I could have stopped off at the cafe on the front and had a cuppa. But I just can't take any more in. I just can't. Look out everybody, the booster's back. Now is it this one? Or is it the next one? Oh bollocks, I bet it's... I can't remember if it's this one or the next one. Oh bollocks, it's the next one. I always get this wrong. Holy crap. There's not a train coming. Oh fucking there's a train there, look. Oh, I'm always going down this one. And I needed to go down the other one. Fucking bugger! I've got to turn the beast around now. Oh. You can see what I mean, can't you? Oh, it's a nice evening though. What do you think, guys? Would you like to live on a houseboat? Yeah, I suppose it's got its appeal. Let's go down the other one, because I've come down the wrong one. This is the one I need to go down. Oh look, boats! Don't tell Bob, for Christ's sake. Yeah, boats. Let's go down here and have a look. Yep, it's shut. Never mind. Anyway, I'm going to take this silly thing off my helmet. So I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to Eric Booser and watch my stupid videos. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.